Currently, all our hires come with a plastic wallet attached to them containing paper versions of the test certificate and operating and safety guide. This is not in line with our commitment to reduce our carbon footprint and achieve net zero by 2050. This is where the ESS Asset Portal comes in. Going forward, all hires will no longer come with paper versions of documents. Instead, they will come with a sticker containing a QR code, which when scanned will take you through to the Asset Portal. Simply input the fleet number located on the product to view the latest inspection certificate, datasheet, product overview document, technical specification and operating and safety guides. There is also the ability to report a breakdown of the item should one occur. Future planned updates for the portal will introduce the ability to off-hire or extend the hire period of your item. And there you have it. The ESS Asset Portal will now begin rolling out across the business.